Hey guys, welcome back. Oh, no, okay, yeah, we'll just turn that. You guys definitely want to see me do that, I guess, so. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So today I'm going to be starting my first ever proper sketchbook. I've done some mini not proper sketchbooks in the past, but this is my first ever proper one and I'm really excited. So let's get started. So this is the drawing book that I have. Basically when I open it, it has one layer of tracing paper, but then it has one layer of normal paper, then one layer of tracing paper, then one layer of normal paper. And I think you get the point. But I don't like the size of the book. I want it to be A5 and I think it's like A3 or something, so I'm going to cut the pages off the book. So I saw this hack somewhere where you can take out the staples using a pen like this, so I tried doing that so that I could take the pages off. Now I'm pulling the pages off. So I finished doing that and now I have a mixture of normal paper and tracing paper. So I'm going to remove the tracing paper and I'll be left with the normal paper. Okay, so now I've got all the paper. As you can see, it's folded and I want the sketchbook to be A5 size, so I have to cut it. And I'm going to try a transition, but don't expect much because I'm rubbish at them. So now they have been cut to A4 size, but I want them to be cut to A5 size. So I need to cut them in half, but I like to use the fold and tear method because I get neater results than scissors, and I literally can't cut a straight line with scissors. And this is the last one. So I finally finished ripping, and that took like a solid 10 to 15 minutes, and it may not seem a lot, but ripping paper for 15 minutes straight is really boring. Wait, let's see what flipping the pages in slow motion would look like. And since we're doing it in slow motion, then of course we have to do it in rainbow. New rule, at least one rainbow in each video. Probably won't stick to it, but oh well. Anyways, I've got this card from the book before and I'm going to trace around one sheet to get the size to make the cover of the book. And cut that out. I made two for the front and back. For the design, I'm painting the background black. Did you notice the background change? You probably did. So after I finish painting the background black, I'm going to use gel pens to add colourful hearts. It's like the design I did in this video, and if you haven't watched it yet, then make sure to go watch it after this video. The link's in the description. So like I said, I'm using gel pens. And of course I have to put it in rainbow order. Let the hearts begin. Well, I've not really got much to say about this. I guess it's just hot, so yeah. I wanted to go over it in a gloss, but it didn't go so well. It smudged some of the gel pen, and it was really weird because blue and orange smudged but green didn't. So obviously I couldn't use that, so I used tissue to try and get as much of it off as I could. And since some of the hearts wiped off, I went over them again in gel pen. And I have some scrap paper here, which let's just say you'd know the history about if you watched my last video. And anyway, I'm going to make like a label thing for it saying Sketchbook. And I messed up, so I tried again on the back. So I was going for this like fake calligraphy or faux calligraphy look, but like the thick parts I would do in the gel pen colours that I used for the hearts. And I've actually got a video on faux calligraphy. And now I'm just cutting it out. I'm going to laminate the cover with tape to keep it waterproof and so that it can last longer. And now that I've finished laminating, I'm going to use tape to add the label. I also made a back for the sketchbook. This is the front, this is the back. Front, back, front, back. And now I'm flipping the pages inside out and aligning them so that I can mark where I will hole punch them. And let me introduce you to a friend, Fishy the Clip. And now we're making friends with clips. Fishy is going to help clip the card together, ready for me to hole punch. Ready, drum roll please. Yay, the first hole punch is done, cause I had a lot more to do. Also, this is really weird because when I played it in slow motion, it sounded like this. Trust me, those are not sound effects. Weird, right? It sounds like those metal things on a drum. Now I need to hole punch the paper, but the paper is too thick to hole punch in one go. So I'm going to split the paper into sections and then hole punch them. Fishy the Clip here again. After I hole punched it, I just checked to see if it lines with the front and back. Now time to hole punch the rest. Okay, so I know it looks weird, but the paintbrushes are there to help keep the holes aligned. And here we have Fishy, who is trying to eat the paintbrushes. I hope the paintbrushes are okay though, because like seriously, look at those teeth. Oh no, Fishy, don't try and eat the camera. Anyways, I've got some more because I'm going to use it to thread through the holes. Now is the moment of truth. Will I be able to remove the paintbrush without messing up the alignment? We'll see. And I did it! Remember like 2 seconds ago when I was happy because I thought I did everything right? Yeah, just hire a memory wiper to help you forget all that, because guess what I did wrong? I forgot the cover and back. Great. So I had to undo it and do it all again. And finally just tie the string into a bow. It's all done! Well guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember last time when I told you guys to comment something? If you want to know what it was, go check out last time's video. Well, I'm going to be doing that all the time, but today I'm going to be asking you a question. Do you like the process of making something or the outcome? Tell me in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to check out the videos on the screen or the videos that I personally recommend linked in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!